In the current scenario dimension, we have three members: actual, budget, and forecast. We'd like to enable Writeback on this dimension so that users can add in additional members for various versions of their budgets and forecast. So to do this, we need to go to the Dimension Structure tab, select the scenario dimension, not the attribute, but the dimension, and then find the Write Enabled property, which is about in the middle of the list of properties here, and change the value from false to true. Now, before we can actually use the Writeback, we do need to deploy this change. And now let's go to the browser. We'll just use the bids environment for this exercise. And on the toolbar, there's a Writeback button, or you could just right-click and select Writeback. It does the same thing. But we can put the dimension browser into Writeback mode, and that gives us the ability to enter in new members. So to do this, we just right-click and we select a current member, and we can select Create Sibling. But let's just create a sibling for budget. And I'll call this Budget Revision 1. And that's it. I just press Enter. Now let's open up Profiler and see what's changed. I'll stop the current trace. So we can see here an insert statement that adds our new member. Now immediately after that, we can see that there's a select distinct that gets executed against this table. And this is a result of processing that occurred by analysis services. So as we go back through the trace, we can see that Analysis Services issued a command, an XMLA command, to insert the new member. And that's what triggered the T-SQL query to do the insert. And immediately following, it did a processing built the schedule, and then it started processing the scenario dimension. And we can see that various steps were performed here to read data and write the data out to that dimension.